In 2006, a small icy world at the edge of our solar system lost its title. For 76 years, Pluto had been called the ninth planet. Then, with a single vote at the International Astronomical Union, it was stripped of its name and relabeled a dwarf planet. The decision broke hearts. Years earlier, when Neil deGrasse Tyson quietly removed Pluto from the planetary display at the Hayden Planetarium, school children mailed him stacks of letters in shaky handwriting, some in crayon, pleading with him to put their favorite planet back. But Pluto doesn't care. It was discovered in 1930 by Clyde Tombaugh, a 24-year-old farm boy and self-taught astronomer, who spotted it as a faint flicker among frozen stars. Pluto drifts nearly 3.7 billion miles from the Sun, so far that sunlight takes more than 5 hours to reach it. From Pluto, the Sun is no blazing giant, but a sharp, distant star, bright enough to cast a faint shadow, no stronger than Earth's twilight after sunset. A single Plutonian year stretches across 248 Earth years. Empires rise and fall in one Plutonian summer. Entire generations live and die before this world completes one journey around the Sun. On its surface, temperatures plunge to nearly minus 400 degrees Fahrenheit, cold enough to freeze the air you breathe into snow. Water itself behaves like rock, forming jagged mountains as tall as the Rockies. Pluto is not alone. It is circled by 5 moons. The largest, Charon, is so massive that the two worlds orbit a point in empty space between them, a binary world, locked face to face, dancing in the dark. And yet, Pluto breathes. Its fragile atmosphere, mostly nitrogen with traces of methane and carbon monoxide, swells as Pluto nears the Sun. Surface ice sublimates into a thin blue haze. Then, as Pluto retreats into the cold, that atmosphere collapses, freezes, and snows back onto the surface that exhaled it. It is a world that inhales and exhales, once every 248 years. In 2015, after a 9-year journey across 3 billion miles, NASA's New Horizons reached it. The photos stunned the world. Pluto had a heart, a vast pale plain of nitrogen ice shaped like a frozen valentine. And aboard the spacecraft were the ashes of Clyde Tombaugh. After 85 years, the farm boy who first found it had finally come home. Beneath all that ice, scientists now believe, may lie a hidden ocean of liquid water, silent, dark, and waiting. So yes, Pluto lost its planetary status. But out there, in the silent frontier beyond Neptune, among the frozen wreckage of the solar system's birth, it still reigns. Pluto may no longer be the smallest planet, but it is now the king of the Kuiper Belt. So tell me, is Pluto still a planet? Or is king of the Kuiper Belt just an honorary title, a crown handed out of pity? Drop your verdict in the comments.